Hi everybody, I wanted to take a few minutes to provide a tutorial to show you how to do a digital portfolio. Now, of course, you still have the option to create an actual notebook and put paper copies of all of your assignments slash artifacts and your reflective narratives and all that, and you can bring it to campus to turn in. But there's definitely some benefits to making a digital portfolio. One, you won't worry about losing it, a flash drive being lost, a computer crashing. It's all stored cloud-based, which is on the internet through Google Drive, and you can access it from anywhere without a flash drive. Another cool thing is that you can edit it from anywhere, and I think the coolest thing about this is that you can share it. So all you have to do is create it and then share a link with me to grade it. And I'll also show you how you can put the link on your resume so that when you apply for jobs, you can show them how you demonstrate the NACCE standards by showing off your portfolio. It's really neat. So without further ado, to do this, you log on to My TCC and you will be on this screen. You'll go to your email account. And then on the top right corner, you'll see this little apps button. It looks just like a square, a bunch of dots. You'll click that and click on Drive. And this is your Google Drive. Yours probably won't have nearly as much information on it, but what you're going to want to do is on the left-hand side right here, you're going to create a new folder. So you click New Folder, and then you're going to title it Portfolio, and then your name. So now you're going to have a whole folder that is symbolizing your notebook folder. So you go on here, and the first thing you want to do is organize it into sections. So to do that, you're going to look at your portfolio guidelines document that is found in Canvas, and you're going to see first you need a table of contents. So you'll probably not do a folder for that. You'll just either create a document and upload it, or do the document here on Google. So you can either upload a file, so if you do your table of contents on Microsoft Word, you can upload it that way, or you can click Google Docs and it will give you a fresh document to do it. You just title it here and create your table of contents. So I'll do that. I'll say table of contents, and then you'll notice it saves everything you do automatically. Now it says save, all changes saved in Drive. So you can do your table of contents here, and then you can just click out of that and it's still there. Now you can see that's your table of contents. So you can go back and work on that anytime. Your next section or folder is going to be personal background. This is where you're going to put your personal background, your philosophy of education, your journals from CHD 265, your resume and cover letter. So we're going to make a folder for personal background. So I'm going to go back to Google Drive, and instead of a file upload or a Google document, we're going to make another folder and entitle that personal background. Okay, so now we don't just have a document, we've got a folder up here. So I already showed you how to create a Google document in here. I'm going to show you now how to upload if you already have something. So I'm going to go into the folder I want something, and you see there's nothing in this folder right now. But I already wrote my philosophy of education on a Microsoft document, so I don't need to create it on the Google Drive. So I just want to upload it. So what I'm going to do here is go to New, File Upload, and I'm going to find where I had it. And down here it says Upload Complete, and now there it is. So now I can click on it and it's now on the drive. So I don't ever have to worry about losing this. This is online forever unless I delete it. So now I'm going to go out of here. And then we just go back right here. You use the navigation to go in sections or the whole one. So if we look back at the table of contents or the portfolio guidelines, we're going to see the next section is going to be NACCE 1, NACCE Standard 2, 3, 4, and so on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and make those folders. So I'm going to go to New Folder, And I'm going to start here, and I'm going to put one first so it orders it that way. I'm going to create that folder. There it is. I'm just going to keep going here until I get to NAEYC Standard 6. And so forth. So then you're going to go in there, NAEYC Standard 2, and you're going to either upload. You're going to go here and file upload, and you're going to find your first assignment that falls under NAEYC Standard 2. You're going to put it in here. Then you're going to either upload or create a new Google Doc for your reflective narrative. So what you might want to do is add the template. So I am going to file upload the reflective narrative template here. And then I'm going to open it. And so here it's just viewable, but I can open this as not a Microsoft Word. I can open it with Google Docs so I can edit it. So here's my reflective narrative, and I can just go in here and start typing to create my narratives now. Okay, so that's how you actually create your the organization. You see here's the section of my portfolio. So to go back to my portfolio, I'll just go to the title, and here's my section / folders, table of contents. You can even add a miscellaneous section if you want to put copies of trainings you've been through, your criminal background check, certificates, NAEYC membership. If you want to add any of that, you can add that, of course. Now, here is the way you are going to share it. So right up here, you are going to click Get Shareable Link. So I went to the name of my portfolio and did Get Sharing Link, and then I'm going to click Sharing Settings. And then I'm going to click Advanced. So right here, it's already set to private. Nobody can access but me, but I want to change that. I want to let anybody do it. So you can do it only for people at the community college, only with people with the link, or only people on the web. So I am going to click only people with the link. And then I'm going to go down here, and it says, what can they do? Can they edit it or can they view it? Well, you don't want people to edit your work, so you're going to do view only and then save, and it's going to go back, and you're going to look here and make sure that's right. Anybody who has a link can just view, and then your link is already saved. So this is the link that you're going to straight copy and put in the submission box when you submit your portfolio. And then if you want to put it in your resume, you can do it like this. So I'll go to Resume and click View My Early Childhood Development Portfolio from Tidewater Community College here. And I'll add a hyperlink here. So I'll right click, go to link, paste that link that I just copied and click OK. And now when somebody is looking at your resume, they can just hit Control and press it, and it is automatically going to take them to your Google Drive. Apparently I need to update mine, but so that is how you do your portfolio via Google Drive. It's very helpful. If you have any questions, of course, feel free to ask me, and I am happy to help. Take care.